Hello, it's me, Elvison, here from the Vlog Academy, and today I'm at the Ouse Valley Viaduct in Sussex, and it's such a stunning place, perfect to vlog from. But today I actually wanted to talk about my new online program called From Chaos to Clarity. So if you're in business and you are looking to do more online video, but you're not quite sure what type of videos you should be doing and where to place them and when to get them out or how to get them out, this is the perfect program for you. It's done online, it's only 3 weeks, and you can do it in your own time. And it really will help you get a structure and strategy in place really quickly. So have a look at the full content, and I really look forward to seeing you online and bring you from chaos to clarity.